Brian DiMambro. This beautiful and monumental book is a facsimile done in the early 20th century of an important botanical book from 1629. It is faithfully reproduced on handmade paper. It's got a splendid title page here with the original date imprinted at the bottom. And as you can see, the book looks and feels like a 17th century imprint. This book is well known and profusely illustrated. It's a faithful facsimile, and very few examples survive in this type of attractive early leather binding. It's likely issued by the publisher as a deluxe possibility for a binding choice for an early buyer. And this well-preserved and fine large folio book is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com. Subscribe. We're making video updates on a regular basis.